Hello, hi, this is Rani Ahmed with you, and this is lesson 5 in how to program TCL on Cisco routers. Now, this is our very first lesson on TCL itself. Okay, we're going to see how we can print some lines from the TCL interpreter. Okay, so we have our network here is running, and I chose router 1 to do the TCL scripting. Okay. That does not mean you can do the TCL scripting on other routers, okay? But this is where I'm going to start from. So what I do is go from the enabled mode, which is the unprivileged mode here, to the enabled privileged mode. Okay, so I'm here like a root user, okay, an administrator. Now, to run the interpreter of TCL, I type TCLSH, okay, and press enter. Now, what's the interpreter? Interpreter is the program that reads the code of TCL or any scripting language in general. Like, the interpreter's purpose is to read a scripting language code and run it on a computer. Okay, so here TCLSH is the shell of TCL. This is the interpreter of TCL. Cool. Now let's start with the first command on TCL. And by the way, you can still use TCL and Cisco router commands at the same time. Okay, so let's say, for example, show IP route. Okay, you can still do this. Okay, and without interfering with TCL or TCL interfering with Cisco. Okay, now let's start with our first command in TCL. Now we have a command that's very common on TCL, which is called puts. Puts is put string or put a string. Okay, it's just one line of text that you want to print it out, okay, on the screen. Usually you will use it like just to tell people what to do, okay, and maybe to print some report, okay, on the screen, okay, by manipulating the output of the commands of Cisco. And that's what you usually do on Cisco router, okay, making reports. So because you know, on Cisco, if you see the configurations and things like that and the output of the command, sometimes you don't like them. Okay, so you want something specific for your own use. Okay, so I say puts, and to put the string that I want to print, okay, I just type a double quote like this twice and type the string hello world. Okay, this is TCL running TCLSH running on Cisco router C7200. Okay, so I print it out and that's it. It echoes it to the screen. Okay, so this is like echo on shell scripting. Cool. Now let's go for more or deeper in puts. Now puts has an option. Okay, so if I want to type like two strings like this, okay, let's say hello, okay, and another command I want to add on the same line. If I want to do two commands on the same line or many commands on the same line, just put a separator, the semicolon. Okay, so puts, and I put a space just to not make hello and world, okay, as one word. Okay, so you'll see that here it's a mistake, it's typo. So you must tell it that it is a command. Okay, so this is it. So you see hello and world here with a space. Okay, now what if I want to do this, no new line. Okay, see, it did not break it. Why? Because puts always appends a new line character. Okay, this is that you don't see. There is a character, we're going to see it in the next minutes. Okay, that's appended to the end of the string. So if you put no new line, this appending of the new line character, okay, it will not be added. Okay, so that's the difference between having puts with the option. This is an option now. Anything with a dash starts with a dash after the command is an option. Okay, so dash new line, no new line. Okay, and then puts hello world. Cool. Now let's start, for example, do this and tell you how to put such invisible characters. So for example, I want to put a new line here. Okay, so this will make hello and world, okay, with a line breakage in between. Okay, see, this is how it goes. So hello and world. Let me drag it here a little bit just to be viewed on the camera. So hello and world. Now if I want to put the slash on the screen, so I'll add another slash. So every double slashes is replaced with one slash. Okay, so this way is called character escaping. Okay, backslash escaping. Cool. So what I have here is a slash and is printed out. Cool. Now what if I want to have one tab character? You know, press the tab key on your keyboard, and I want to have something like similar to this. Like if I have say like this, and I add a tab like this, and this see, this is one tab, this spacing. Okay, just I'm deleting this. Okay, so what I do is slash t. Okay, tab. Cool. Now if I put slash r, now this slash r, but the thing is slash r is supposed to make you retain the cursor to the start of the line, okay, without making a break, a line like a line break or new line character like slash n. But here in Cisco it does not. Slash r and slash n are equivalent. Okay, so if I put it like this, it makes a new line. Okay, so this is all at least about character escaping and strings. Okay, now what if I have another way to print the slash, okay, without doing always double backslash, because this will look ugly. For example, let's say hello like this, hello world. Okay, like this, slash r, let's see, slash n, maybe let me put a space here just for clarity. Okay, I can, for example, add slash t. Okay, touch. Okay, so if I print it, see, and having too many double backslashes is very ugly. So there is a solution for it. You put like this and use a curly brace. Now this will turn the string into a list of words. Okay, so slash r world. Okay, slash n, maybe slash touch. Okay, and here, see, I did not have to write so many backslashes just to print things out. Cool. Now this is our hello world in TCL. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll come to the other things in TCL in the coming lessons.